So now, next question: in each of the following, find the values of k for which the points are collinear. Okay, they given as collinear here. So collinear means, okay, this is the points solution. Okay, collinear condition is the given points are given collinear condition. Okay, collinear condition. Okay, the given points are collinear. Condition for a given points are collinear. Let us write given point A 7, -2, B 5, 1, C 3, 7 are the given points. So given points. So we have to write. So to find the given points are collinear. Okay, the given points are collinear. So what is the condition to say that the given points are collinear? Okay, by using the area of triangle formula. Okay, now condition for collinear. Condition for a collinear using area of triangle. Using area of triangle formula. Using area of triangle. Using area of triangle formula. Using area of triangle formula is, okay, area of triangle delta is equals to 1/2 into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, okay, is equals to 0. This is a collinear condition. If the area of triangle is equal to 0, then the given points are collinear. Okay, this is the condition. The given points are collinear. Okay, the given points are collinear means, okay, this is the condition. The given points are collinear means this is the condition. Are you ready? Condition equals to 0. Area of triangle is equals to 0. The given here already, you can name it as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Substitute in this area of triangle. That is delta equals to half into x1 is 7 into y2 is 1 minus y3 is k plus x2 is 5 into y3 is k minus y1 is 1 plus x3 is 3 into y1 2 1 2 3 3 2 1 3 1 2. Yes. Next x3 is 3 and y1 is minus 2. y1 is 2. y2 is minus 1. Okay, is equals to 0. Then delta half equals to 7 into 1 into 7 is 7. 7 into k is 7k plus 5 into k is 5k plus into minus 5 plus 3 into minus 3 modulus equals to 0. Okay, so delta equals to half into, okay, 7 minus 7k plus 5k minus 5 plus in minus 9 is equals to 0. So 7k minus 7k plus 5k is minus 2k. 7 plus 9. So 7 plus 5 will be almost 7. So 7 5 3. y2 is x1. So it will be x1 equals to, sorry. So it will be first y1 equals to minus 2 and y2 equals to 1. Okay. Next minus 9. So 15. 14 minus 14 minus 7. Okay. Yeah, let's see here anything went wrong. X1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, x3 y3. So it will be here 7. X1 is 7. Y2 is 1. Y3 is k plus x2. X2 is 5. Again y3 is k. Y1 is y1. Y1 is here 2. Y1 is here minus of minus 2. Minus of minus 2 is y1. Here y1 is this one. So it will be here it will be went wrong. So this is 1 into 7 is 7 minus 7k plus 5 of 7 minus of minus plus 2. Okay, plus 3 into minus 3 modulus. Then it will be 7 minus 7k plus 5 into k 5k plus 5 2s are 10 minus 9 is equals to 0. So 7k will be 5 2s are 10. Yeah, 10 17. So 8. Okay, so 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. So delta equals to half into minus 2k plus 8 is equals to 0. Send here 2. Then becomes delta equals to minus 2k plus 8 is equals to 0 into 2. So delta equals to modulus of minus 2k plus 8 is equals to 0. Okay. Now if you send k here, it will be minus 2k plus minus 8. Plus 8 goes here from left side to right side. It becomes minus 8. Minus minus cancel. K equals to 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. K equals to 4. Okay. So therefore the value of k is 4. Therefore the value of k is equals to 4. Okay. This is the value of k. Okay, take this. So next, find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are A 0, -1, B 2, 1, C 0, 3. Find the ratio of triangle formed by midpoints to the area of triangle ABC.